All right, what's on the bench today? These had me confused for a while, but I did figure out what they are. So they have leads on the bottom, okay? And I've sort of seen indicator bulbs like this before that fit into military equipment. They look kind of military grade, the way that they're constructed. It was like a black, it's probably an aluminum tube with epoxy at the end that holds everything inside. And I'll have to put these under the microscope and show you, because there's actually a little glass lens on the end. So yes, indeed, they do look like indicator lamps, but they're not. So try to guess before I go to the next step here. What do you think they are? If they're not indicator lamps, what do you think they are? They are photoresistors in a tiny, tiny, tiny little package. Photoresistors, so that's pretty cool. So I don't know why you need such a small one. Maybe an optical tape reader, a paper tape reader. You could like stack them together, and I don't know. I don't know why they're so small, or they just needed to be small to go into a certain mechanical space. So yeah, let's measure one. All right, there we go. Measuring about what, 19 megohms. And if I point it up to the light, pointing it straight up now, it's not cooperating. I think there's corrosion on these leads and it's not making good contact. Okay, so there we go, about 330 k ohms. All right, let me shine a bright flashlight into it. And there we go. Now we're at about 600 ohms. So yeah, they're strange little devices. Anybody who knows where these were used or seen them before, comment below. They do have some part numbers on them. Let's see here. Where's my magnifying glass? 60-H. 60-H. That's about the only marking. Maybe a T1? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine.